Are you needing some heavy duty cleaning? Then you need the OrbiMax range from Ivo. They start with our OrbiMax 10, the small machine for detail areas and stairs, and as you can see on the screen we have two other sizes. These machines are brilliant for heavy duty cleaning, and with the wide variety of pads there's one for every surface and every need. If you need an on-site demo because you've got a difficult floor to clean, we'd be glad to come along and show you how OrbiMax can really clean it up for you. Thanks for watching.